Look at him.
Wait.
It's all her fault.
I want some too.
Look at this shit.
Wait, where's this an Indian thing?
Fucking Michelle, man.
You know what?
Fucking
I'm
Michelle.
Dude, I'm gonna. No, you burn it. I don't want to burn my face. No, you burn my face.
This on?
Michelle, enough.
I want no
Is that
buttons,
on?
but I'm
How
scared.
Brandon am I?
Stop. Let me just put Stop. Stop. Just one dog.
Yeah, he looks pretty good. You're branded, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Why is it I'm always only showing my eyeballs?
You have to be perfect.
I'm not perfect.
Everybody else is painting. We're all painting.
Hey.
What?
None of that shit. It's the shit what we go through. See what we go through? No. Oh, you got nothing going on.
I got nothing.
No, you got
Nothing,
nothing.
really?
No.
Are you kidding me?
No, Michelle.
No, Michelle wants to burn my face.
Yeah, look. Oh, you can't put it in the fire and then put it on somebody's face. Hello?
Campfire wax.
That was poke my fucking eyeballs out with that.
Burn my face.
Look, you put some on your eyeball, you look like you get a black eye.
Is it hot?
Where's Danny?
You either got a helmet on, you got
Dan.
a nice fucking hat on.
I know, right?
You're Canadian, man.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Canadian, eh? Oh, shit.
Hey, Hoser. Want a berry?
Yeah, you got a beer, eh?
You want a berry?
No, I got a beer.
You got a berry?
I got a beer, eh?
Hey, I drink, eh?
You got it. Wait a minute, let me open this up. Let me open this up. That's fucking skill right there.
Let me put it in the put it in the ash.
She is.
Is this like a branding moment?
I think so.
Yeah, Michelle's branding all of us. You might want to let that cool off for us. You might want to let that cool off. Celeste, put it. Celeste, you look like that freaking chick from the Disney show. Put it on your lip.
Dude, I can't take you serious. Put it on now. Okay, ready?
Why? Is there something wrong?
There you go, baby. There you go.
Eat that shit up. Eat that shit up.
That's nice.
Oh, you got a mustache in it. Oh, look.
Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, look. Now
around.
we're twins.
Turn around.
It's not a dick, Celeste.
I am so tagging that thing tonight.
I actually licked it.
Keep the mustache. You are all
I actually licked it.
No, just give me a serious look. Give me a serious look. We look like twins.
5 o'clock shadow with Derek right now.
She does. If she had a bandana, she'd look like Bret Michaels.
I gotta
hold him back. He's all worked out.
I got a ding dong.
Yeah, it is a bulge. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
Shirley
You're
gave
not even
me
close to
Those are
it.
my socks.
I know. Shirley gave me a ding
What are
dong.
you doing?
It's a ding dong. It's a ding dong.
He says it's a ding
It
dong.
was a ding
It
dong.
was a ding
It was a
dong.
big ding dong. Not lying.
Look at you.
I see my.
look?
What?
No.
How's that look?
I want to see.
Oh, wait a minute.
Turn around.
You gotta understand. People over there and the people up there.
I'm like,
No, you gotta be like Pocahontas. There you go. And one run right down your nose, and then one in your chin, right down your chin. So it's like Pocahontas. Pocahontas, or whatever her name is. Poke a fucking somebody. Somebody's getting poked. There you go.
She gave me one ball with it.
She's like Michelle's put eyeliner on over here.
Shirley came out and goes, look. Shirley came out and goes, I go, that's one ball. She was like, I know. It's only one
I
ball.
wouldn't want to have to do
What do you got?
I would, but I wouldn't.
So let's get dick and balls. Is that dick and balls? That's disgusting, fucking George or Brett. I go,
Dude, that was
Driving.
but it felt good.
And the other crazy guy. Which one's yours?
Why are you looking at me?
Crazy fun drive. This one right here.
Why are you looking at me?
Yeah.
that's fucking awesome. Wait till you see that video. Oh my! We're gonna watch these tomorrow. The next day, you're gonna be like, "Oh my god!"
Of course you would.
We're a freaking bunch of fucking nuts. But you know what? This is the last night. The last night of camping
hurrah.
season. Our last hurrah. We're going out. We're gonna have a good fucking time. You know what?
Damn.
Enjoy.
straight we are.
That's right, Shane. Tell
Damn
him.
straight we are.
Right here, brother. Right here. Right here. I love you guys, man. I love.
Do not say anything.
Don, I fucking love you. You're as crazy as we are. You just don't. You act in different ways.
Oh no, I'm just as crazy. I'm just a little more sober than you two. I mean, you guys.
Bye, wizard. Goodbye, Harry Potter. Off to the old land.
Have fun.
Goodbye, Harry Potter. Go to your land.
It's like, go ahead, violate my wife all you want. I'm going to bed.
He's not gonna have enough.
Off to your seasonal land.
That's right. You tell him, Michelle. Off with your head. Off with your head.
Oh, now you'll really offend Daryl.
She has no idea. either. She has no idea.
I am the warrior. I have won.
That is the greatest fucking thing I've ever witnessed in my life. Greatest shit I've ever
Oh, you're giving me a headache. Michelle, your tampon's hanging out.
Oh no, it's a sack of one ball.
I have won.
She thinks we're just like paparazzi. She has no idea why.
I have won.
We know you have one. It's hanging. You got one hung low. Just call her one hung low.
I'm fucking dying. Oh my god.
I have won.
Oh my god.
Are you videoing this shit right now? I hope you're videoing this.
Oh, fucking right I am. Oh my god.
Michelle, if you only knew. If you only knew.
She thinks that's what we're laughing. She thinks we're laughing at that. She motorboated herself.
Oh my god, I can't fucking do this no more. I gotta stop. I gotta stop.
Shake.
I need a breather. Look at it, look at it. I'm crying. Look at it. I'm fucking crying. I'm literally crying over here.
They ready? 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 Go. Go.
I'm a wizard.
Yeah, we know this.
You're a fucking wizard, alright. Oh, you are definitely a wizard.
Somebody take a picture and show it. You have to. You have to. Yeah, you're right, Bobby.
I'm a wizard.
I'm fucking dying. I'm gonna piss my pants. I'm gonna fucking piss my pants.
Oh, fuck.
You are awesome.
I gotta sit.
You are fucking awesome, man.